not a particularly successful brownie. However, it tastes absolutely fantastic. Your cherry fig compote, I really enjoyed eating that. What can I say?
Ladies and gentlemen, please reveal your ingredients.
What?
Cherries, chocolate and coconut must feature.
Are you a pudding man, Thomas?
I am a pudding man. I often look at the pudding on a menu before I order the mains and the starters and then plan my journey of how to get to the dessert rather than it be a surprise.
Man after my own heart. So what are you going to make now?
So I'm doing a coconut and cherry bread and butter pudding with a chocolate sauce.
Wow. Do you want to see my reaction to a cherry bread and butter pudding?
Go for it.
What follows great fish and chips? Well, of course, a bread and butter pudding. A good bread and butter pudding needs structure. I hope it's not a puddle of custard and bread in the middle of chocolate sauce.
20 minutes have gone, all right? 20 minutes gone.
Marla is making us a chocolate brownie. With that, she's serving a cherry glaze. Then she has got a mixture of coconut milk, mixing it with mascarpone cream. That chocolate brownie needs to be crispy on the outside and really gooey on the inside. A good brownie is a lovely thing, and actually, in a test like this, wonderful.
Marla, how do you feel about puddings?
I like to eat them, but baking them, making them, not usually my thing.
Did Nonna not show you how to make biscotti or...?
Well, tiramisu for sure, but I can't make that in 50 minutes.
Open the door. Have you burnt those brownies?
Looks like it almost is, huh?
Stop! That's it. Stop, please.
Thomas has made cherry and coconut bread and butter pudding with cherries cooked in syrup and a chocolate sauce.
Nice quality bread and butter pudding, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, rich with brioche, flavoured with coconut. I think it's pretty good.
That is a fine cherry and coconut bread and butter pudding. Lovely juice of the cherry mixing with that tropical coconut I really, really love. Matter of taste, possibly, but that chocolate sauce needs sweetening up. But I like the way your mind works. I really do.
Marla has made a chocolate brownie on a mascarpone honey and coconut cream, served with a cherry and fig compote and coconut shavings.
Your chocolate brownie, instead of being soft and gooey, is more like a biscuit, like a cookie. But underneath that, you have a really lovely flavoured coconut cream. I quite like it.
Not a particularly successful brownie. However, it tastes absolutely fantastic. Your cherry fig compote, I really enjoyed eating that. What can I say? I'm really impressed. They did brilliantly well.
Creative juices were flowing.
My favourite dish to eat in this round was cooked by Thomas. I really liked that cherry and coconut bread and butter pudding.
I agree with you. Thomas is going through to the next round.
Marla, I really don't know what to make of her, because she made a brownie, but it wasn't a particularly brilliant brownie. Underneath it was a beautiful combination of honey, coconut and mascarpone. And on top was a beautiful combination of fig and cherry.
Gisela and Marla, we have just one apron left to give. The person leaving us is Gisela. Gisela, thank you so very much for everything.
Great work.
Katie and hug.